The stock symbol is DMTK, melanoma and skin cancer detection. 9% up last night. Yes, this was something that I was trying to discuss over in our inner circle, but I'm going to read it for you anyway. So DermTech is actually a company that just recently listed. I think this came through a SPAC. I'm not sure if it was a SPAC or an IPO. Nonetheless, it has rallied already from $11 to $49. I'm a bit late, I'll be honest, but is it a 10x company so that if it falls near $35 or $40, should we buy it? So DermTech is a new era in skin cancer detection. I'm happy to say that I got this idea from following Jonna Lupton. So let me show to you his Twitter account, Jonna Lupton. He's actually a part of Substack. So he's got his Substack, jonnalupton.com. So I'm going to read, and he's got his own podcast, the Investing City podcast. Follow him and share the love. So let's see. Let's take a look. I saw his huge thread on DMTK. So I found it interesting, and so I wanted to share it here. I'm going to read the entire, he shared it. DMTK Lupton. You shared his analysis. This one, a genomics-based smart patch play for early skin cancer detection while also preventing unnecessary biopsies. $1 billion market cap. I am expecting 185% annual growth for the next 5+ years. DermTech, even at the time of writing, when he was writing it, it was about $40. The market cap was just less than $900 million at that time. So 40, it's now $50. It's just 1.25 billion. Do you think, guys, that the skin cancer detection is a $1 billion industry, or is it a $50 billion industry? Now, we're not going to hype it up. We're just going to read to you the details. Details, details, details. Facts, facts, facts. Oh, it's a post for paying subscribers. All right, no worries. We're going to go to the website itself. So he led me to DMTK, and I took a look at the website. DermTech is welcoming a new era in skin cancer detection. We are changing the way melanoma is found. Ready to get started? Find a specialist. Meet the smart sticker, changing everything. There's a reason doctors had to cut your skin to test for melanoma. We didn't have another way. Now, thanks to the smart sticker, we do. An adhesive painlessly lifts skin cells off your mole. No need for a scalpel. The sticker is pressed on your mole, quickly lifted off, carrying your skin's RNA material with it. Read more. Okay. Earlier, this isn't just a new test. This is a revolutionary new technology. Traditional melanoma detection methods are visual. Doctors use their eyes, aided by a microscope, to see physical changes to a mole and the cells within it. A groundbreaking innovation now lets us look past your skin cells, deep within your skin's genes, to find and detect the disease earlier and more accurately. Now, I wouldn't know that I'd have skin cancer until it's late and it's over. But with skin cancer detection early on, we can prevent these melanoma diseases. We're going to find it out before we get, oh, your stage 4 cancer or your stage 3 skin cancer, right? So more people would love to get earlier detection. That's the main business, guys, of Exact Sciences, who actually detected early on whether you're afflicted with so Exact Sciences is also a cancer diagnostic company that went from $5 to $140, and I think that's why it's called Exact Sciences. Yeah, so earlier detection. DermTech can detect changes in your skin at the RNA and DNA level. These happen long before enough cellular changes occur to be seen by a pathologist looking at the biopsy. So some of you might not have cancer, so you don't know what a biopsy means. It's good that you don't know about it, because if you actually have cancer, those are the things that you will have to take off. You actually do surgery and a lot. I'm not a cancer, I'm not an oncologist, but unfortunately, I do have some relatives who have cancer, so I learned a little bit just by experience. personal experience. So you can catch melanoma earlier, a critical factor in beating the disease. More accurately, with the current biopsy care pathway, early melanoma can be missed up to 17% of the time. A DERMTECH melanoma test misses less than 1%, meaning it's 99 point blah, 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 blah percent effective. So you can detect the disease more accurately even earlier without cutting. So do you want that technology? Of course. There is no question. Early detection saves lives. This tool revolutionizes our ability to find melanoma earlier. Hear more from Dr. Ferris, Laura Ferris, MD, PhD. Watch the video. Let's watch the video and read the publication. Guys, these are some life-saving technologies. Sooner is catching it, early is critical. The test can find melanoma 10,000x sooner. The melanoma test will look at the gene level. This is closer than the traditional biopsy care pathway. It tests the information from the mole. The technology in DERMTECH is the sticker, the gene lab, and the science. At the gene lab, it is a patented process tested to sample for expression levels and more. DERMTECH can also do IT via telehealth. It's at home. Staying at home doesn't mean that you're going to wait for answers. Your dermatologist can order the DERMTECH melanoma test through a telehealth visit and guide you through the easy process of collecting your own sample under the doctor's supervision. Now, I want to know how big are the people who are afflicted with melanoma. So let's take a look at that. Melanoma, skin cancer, how many people affected worldwide? It says here, this year, an estimated 100,000 adults in the United States will be diagnosed with invasive melanoma of the skin. Melanoma is the 5th most common cancer among men, the 6th most common cancer among women, and it is 20 times more common in white people than in black people. That's statistics, guys. And how much percentage of people are spreading melanoma? Patients with melanoma are at risk of a recurrence of their original cancer. Second, primary melanomas develop approximately 0.5% per year for the first 5 years. All right, how many people in the world are affected? So 1 million diagnosed worldwide in 2018. But this might be an underestimate. Skin cancer represents a particular challenge for estimating incidence for several reasons. How aggressive is melanoma skin cancer? It is a very aggressive cancer that spreads to other parts of the body, and it may be fatal if not treated early. Can you live a long life with melanoma? You've got about 5-year survival rate. Patients who are afflicted with melanoma, 92% survival, but that means that 8 will die. Sadly, 8 people will die, 8%. Has anyone survived melanoma 4? Stage 4 melanoma is very difficult to cure. It has already spread to other parts of the body. Small number of people respond well to a treatment, but they achieve no evidence of disease. So, as you know, early detection is going to save your life. And therefore, DMTK gets a buy rating. You'll learn more about this company. You do your own due diligence or just sign up with Inner Circle and we're going to do it for you.